Understanding the correct TV chassis is crucial for effective troubleshooting and repair. Imagine you're working on a completely dead TV, and you need to identify its chassis to proceed. This is not just a matter of curiosity, it's essential for sourcing the right schematics, parts, and even firmware updates. The challenge lies in deciphering the chassis type from often cryptic markings. For instance, in the case of a White Westinghouse TV, you might find references to Formenti Chassis. To confirm this, you need to look for specific identifiers like F11, F15, or F16 printed on the circuit board. Knowing these details can save you hours of frustration and ensure you're working with the correct documentation. And here's why that matters: incorrect identification can lead to incompatible parts or incorrect repairs, potentially damaging the TV further. The Formenti chassis is a robust framework designed for specific electronic applications. Its hallmark is the printed circuit board, where you'll find the key indicators, F11, F15, or F16. These identifiers are crucial for confirming the chassis type. The Formenti chassis is known for its reliability and efficiency in handling various electronic components. Understanding these indicators will help you navigate and troubleshoot the system more effectively. And here's why that matters: knowing the exact chassis type allows you to apply the right modifications and upgrades, ensuring optimal performance. But there's more to it than just identification. Let's dive deeper into the architecture and components that make the Formenti chassis stand out. And here's why that matters. To confirm whether your TV uses a Formenti chassis, you need to locate the printed circuit board, or PCB. Begin by safely opening the TV's back panel. Once you have access, look for the main PCB. It's usually a large, rectangular board with various components and connectors. Pay close attention to any markings or labels on the board. You're looking for specific identifiers such as F11, F15, or F16, which indicate a Formenti chassis. If you find these markings, you've confirmed the chassis type. Remember, accuracy here is crucial for the next steps. Now, let's delve into identifying the specific Formenti chassis markings. You need to look for the printed circuit board, where you'll find the chassis code. Specifically, you should find either F11, F15, or F16 inscribed on it. These codes are your identifiers. Remember, these markings are critical because they confirm the chassis type, which in turn dictates the repair and replacement parts you'll need. If you don't see these codes, double-check your search area or consult the user manual for alternative locations. This step is crucial for ensuring compatibility and correct diagnosis. Now, let's dive into the advanced nuances of handling variations in edge cases and chassis identification. When identifying a Formenti chassis, you might encounter markings like F11, F15, or F16. However, there are instances where the markings might be slightly different or even missing. In such cases, you should look for other indicators such as specific component placements or solder points that align with Formenti designs. Another edge case is when the chassis has been modified or repaired, which might alter the original markings. In these scenarios, cross-referencing with the device's service manual or reaching out to the manufacturer can provide clarity. Remember, the key is to be thorough and consider all possible variations to ensure accurate identification. One of the most critical aspects of troubleshooting is avoiding misidentification. Imagine you're in a library with thousands of books, and you need to find a specific title. Misidentifying a book can lead you down the wrong path. Similarly, misidentifying a chassis or component can lead to incorrect troubleshooting steps. A common mistake is confusing similar model numbers or chassis types. For example, the White Westinghouse and Formenti brands may look alike but have different internal configurations. To avoid this, always cross-reference the model number with official documentation or community forums. Look for specific markers like F11, F15, or F16 on the printed circuit board. These identifiers are like the unique ISBN numbers of a book. They tell you exactly what you're dealing with. Another pitfall is assuming that all devices within a brand follow the same architecture. Always verify the specific model's schematics. This meticulous approach will save you time and ensure accurate troubleshooting.